The fall of the ruling African National Congress ANC in South Africa has sent devastating shockwaves in the disputed ZANU-PF government led by Mnangagwa. Zarapina mashoko atokwa na wakomana wa Africa Beauty Ruined watawa zhukuti aiwa kudona kuma votes kwa kaitika mu ANC kwa vundutsa Mnangagwa. Zarapina pinda mashoko ataura kuti bwa subscribe like utina on the bell icon. Notana nyero wachiti, it's all but done and dusted for Mnangagwa's main ally in SADC and personal friend, President Cyril Ramaphosa of South Africa, after the ANC performed dismally as we predicted in our earlier reports on South Africa elections. The ANC failed for the first time since attaining independence in 1994 to secure a majority that would have made it easy for Ramaphosa to assume a second term as president of South Africa. It's all up in smoke. Mnangagwa and the ZANU-PF would have been history after the August 2023 elections in Zimbabwe last year. Ramaphosa played a key role in SADC, which saw the regional bloc sweeping its own Siom report on Zimbabwe elections swept under the carpet. Domashukwana yanyo tagwa na wakobana wachita aiwa Mnangagwa ovunduka nekuda kukuti friend yake Cyril Ramaphosa owana aiwa a vote 10 out ishoma zvisikatomboiti zvavhundutsa nekuda kukuti he also played a key role pakuti aiwa SADC igo remove the Siom report on Zimbabwe zvaita kuti zvigomuvhundutsa aiwa chipotudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pemashoko abuda nevakomana ava Africa Beauty Ruined. Chipotudze mafungiro enyu pine comment section medu musangano subscribe kulike channel on the bell icon.